Hi everyone, I hope that you're fine. It's me, Hussein Riaz, and I'm speaking from Islamabad, capital territory, ICT, Pakistan. Today I'm going to tell you briefly about Sri Lankan civil war, and it's also known as Tamil genocide, and yes, it was a genocide. Basically, the period of that genocide was between 1983 and 2009, and it was fought between Sri Lankan Buddhist government and LTT, Liberation Tigers of Tamil Elam, for 26 years in Sri Lanka. Uh, two. Uh, LTT was founded by Vilu Pillai Prabhakar in the year 1976. May 18 is celebrated by Tamil people as Tamil Genocide Remembrance Day internationally. According to UN Working Group on Enforced or Involuntary Disappearances in 2021, they said that Sri Lanka had the second most number of enforced disappearances in the world after Iraq. According to Amnesty International, at least 60,000 people were forcibly disappeared during the Tamil genocide by Sri Lankan genocidal Buddhist government, and around 1 lakh people were disappeared. And these are just the reported cases. These do not include unreported cases. LTT used civilians, Sri Lankan civilians, as human shields, and this is stated by UN panel. LTT was responsible for killing a Sri Lankan president, Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, Sri Lankan Prime Minister Lakshman Kadish Gamar, and so many innocent commoners who had nothing to do with the conflict, and these were killed by Tamil terrorists. More than 70 civilians were perished between end of 2008 and till the end of Tamil genocide in May 2009. In 5 or 6 months, more than 70,000 civilians were killed, and mostly by Sri Lankan genocidal terrorist government. Sri Lankan government and security forces were engaged in war crimes, crimes against humanity, and rape against civilian people, mostly Tamils, and this was very depressing and unfortunate reality is that most of our hypocritical and fake world, which relies and glorifies and remembers the atrocities committed by Nazi government against the Jewish people, but they forget what Tamil people have faced, and it's very sad. And I am going to tell you that I vehemently condemn the war crimes committed by the Sri Lankan Buddhist government and LTT, LTT socialist terrorist, and I think that Tamil people who had lost their lives during the Tamil genocide should be remembered, just like the Holocaust victims and survivors. This was what I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much for listening, and if you like, then please share with your dear ones. Bye bye.